Hi guys, I'm Andre and today we're gonna make stuffed aubergine. We're gonna need an aubergine, small carrots, probably half an onion, some minced meat of your choice, a bit of tomato puree or tomato sauce, and some cheese to top it off. Full list is in the description down below. We're gonna start by slicing the aubergine in half. And I'm gonna use a spoon to carve it, leaving about a centimeter on the edges. Gonna look something like this. Now I'm gonna salt it and leave it aside until everything else is done. Right, now I'm gonna dice half an onion and cut this small carrot into small cubes. Also gonna preheat the pan to a medium heat. Of olive oil and cook the onions and carrots. Also gonna dice the aubergine. Alright, now I'm gonna add the aubergine as well. I'm also going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to add the minced meat. You can use any meat you want or you have. I had this in the freezer. You don't want to go shopping for this video, sorry. Anything would go well, even chicken, pork, beef, lamb. I think lamb is my favorite. Try it, even a mixture would go well. Okay, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. A little bit of granulated garlic. And some smoked paprika. And add some tomato puree now, just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon or so. And a touch of water. Okay, our filling is done. This is how it looks like. We're gonna pat dry the inside of the aubergine and put the filling inside. Okay, I transferred them to a baking tray and this is how they look like. Gonna put them in the oven for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and we'll check on them later. Okay, the aubergine is done. It's nice and soft. This is how it looks like at the moment. Grated some cheese here. I'm gonna put it on top, get it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Okay, it's done. Look at this beauty. Okay, let's see how it turned out. I'm serving mine with a little bit of crème fraîche, but it goes really well with yogurt or sour cream or crème fraîche. Let's see. Yeah, it's really good. I hope you're gonna try this. Let me know in the comments down below. Please subscribe, like, and come back for the next video. Bye bye.